Uses of techniques of operation research. What is the usage of techniques? Operation research is a quantitative approach that solve problems using a number of mathematical statistical techniques. These techniques are useful in the management of organizations. Now we see some uses of techniques as follows. Linear programming. This is a constant optimization technique which optimizes some criterion within some constants. In the LPP, the objective function, that is profit, loss or return on investment, and the constant are linear. There are different methods available to solve linear programming. And the next, game theory. This is used for making decisions under conflicting situations where there are one or more players. The success of one player tends to be at the cost of other players, and hence they are in conflict. Next, decision theory. Decision theory is concerned with making decisions under condition of complete certainty about the future outcomes, and under conditions such that we can make some probability. Next, queuing theory. This is used in situations where the queue is formed. For example, customers waiting for service, aircrafts waiting for landing, jobs waiting for processing in the computer system, etc. The objective of queuing theory is minimizing the cost of waiting without increasing the cost of servicing. Next, inventory models. It is used for taking decisions regarding minimize total inventory cost. This model successfully reduces the total cost of purchasing, carrying cost and out of stock inventory cost. Simulation. Next, simulation. This technique is used when actual experimentation is not feasible or solution of model is not possible. Simulation is a procedure that studies a problem by creating a model of the process involved in the problem, and then through a series of organized trials and error solutions attempt to determine the best solution. Next, network scheduling. This technique is used to plan, schedule and monitor large projects. For example, computer system installation, research and development design, construction, maintenance, etc. For purpose of this technique is minimize the delays, interruption, etc. by identifying the critical factors. The different activities and the relationship of the entire project are represented diagrammatically with the help of networks and arrows, which is used for identifying critical activities and path. There are two main types of techniques in network scheduling, that is PERT and CPM. PERT, program evaluation and review technique. PERT is used when activities time is not known accurately, whereas CPM, critical path method, is used when activities time is known accurately. At present, almost all fields of business and government use the OR techniques of like accounting, construction, facilities planning, finance, manufacturing, marketing, human resource, purchasing, research and development also. Thank you.